Hi everyone. This time we're going to do a bouncy sound, and it's the sound w w w w w. Your turn. W w w w w. W w w w w. Excellent. Now then, I'm going to show you our picture cards. Let's see what we've got here. We've got a window. And ooh, a witch. Ooh, lots of trees in the woods. Excellent. And was there one more? Yes. Ooh, the spider is on the web. Great. But today it's going to be a worm who helps us to write the w sound. So you can watch as I write on the board the w sound. So we're going to say worm. Here he is. There's a wiggly worm. So he goes up and up and down and up. And there's our wiggly worm. So we're going to say worm. Can you join in with me? Worm. Excellent. Now this time I'm just going to write the w sound. So we just say w this time. So we just say w. There we go. Let's have a look and see if our picture card's the same. So we have a worm and the w sound. Worm, w. Worm, w. Let's see if I can trick you. I'm going to show you one of them. Will it be a worm or will it be a w? It's a worm. Well done. This time, what will it be? It's going to be the w sound. One more. It's going to be the worm. Excellent. Let's stand it there. Now then, here is the w sound. And we need to put it into the middle, hide it. But when we come to it, remember to point. Excellent. So let's go through our sounds. Sh, d, t, I, n, k, o. There it is. Worm. Worm. V. B. K. O. G. P. J. U. Y. And sh. Great work. So, how are we going to write this? Well, the phrase we're going to say is down the worm, up the worm, down the worm, up the worm. Because that's what he does. We go down and up and down and up. So fingers ready to do some air writing? And we say down the worm, up the worm, down the worm, up the worm. Excellent. Another try. Down the worm, up the worm, down the worm, up the worm. Excellent. Great. So, pens ready? You all got everything you need at home? Yeah? So remember, I think we can just say down, up, down, up. Okay? And that because we know we're doing a worm. So shall we have a go? We're going to say down, up, down, up. And there it is. Does yours look like that? Keep practicing. If it doesn't, it's okay. And let's say it again. Down, up, down, up. There we go. Shall we try one more? Remember what we need to say? Down, up, down, up. Well done. Now we're going to try practicing some different sounds. So I'm going to rub these out so I've got some space. And I would like you to practice to do a for robot. So we're going to say down the robot and over his arm. Excellent. Now what about those special friends? Can you remember them? They make the sound shh. Shh, said the horse to the hissing snake. So we need a snake and a horse. So we're going to say shh, said the horse to the hissing snake. And there's our shh sound. Special friends. Yeah, make sure they're together. And our next sound we're going to do, I think, is dinosaur. Sometimes we do it the wrong way. So remember what to say. Round the dinosaur, up his tall neck, down to his feet. Ready? Round the dinosaur, up his tall neck, down his feet. Excellent. Now then, can we think of any words today with the W sound? Do you think Fred's got any for us? Shall we help him make some words? Hi Fred, have you got any sounds for us today? You have? Perfect. Come on then, tell me them. Okay. Wet. Wet. Oh Fred, we're getting good at this, aren't we? Yes, we are. Next one. Oh, I know this. I'll give you a clue. It's where the spider lives. Web. Web. Excellent. Oh, with our special friends sounding. It's a clue. Wish. Oh, thank you, Fred. There were some super words today. We'll see you next time. Bye.